Oh shit! I'm not recording. Hold on.
Good start.
Oh, I'm tripping. Oh, I'm tripping. Help me! Okay.
Alright, now I can hear you.
Get that tank.
I need some freaking healing.
Bet you do. Oh my
Yeah,
goodness.
and I bet you're dead.
And I bet have more kills and damage to you, bitch.
Barely!
Now what?
Ah, shoot bots on me.
Now what?
You barely do, bro.
Sorry ass. And why have you been playing my character?
How you not even playing your character?
Cause you're level 4 with them, bro. I saw your top 3.
Why are you stalking my account?
I want to stalk your account and show your top 3 when you pick a player. When you pick a character.
So what?
Fucking cat just go around shoot. Bro, our Julian isn't doing no type of healing though. See the shit? They just cracked
so
1,000. But that motherfucker comes to you, you get him low, he just fucking runs, bro.
I mean,
so annoying.
He is a healer though.
I'm dead.
Bro, come
on.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
School. I graduated high school.
That's devil.
I graduated high school, stretch. I know.
Did you though?
Bro, you know I did. I took pictures, everything. I'm trying, bro.
I've got you in my sight.
Behind. This one behind him.
That's the freaking cat. No! So close to getting a second kill.
Damn. Alright, our tank might got his. I don't know, bro.
Hey, Bobby.
We lost.
No,
Get on there. We gotta get on it. We gotta get on it.
We need our tank.
Get on it, bitch.
We need our tank.
Okay, but you just go and get it past. We gotta stop him.
He can always deactivate stretch.
I've got meds. Who needs it?
I know, but it's hard. Okay, bro.
I know.
Fucking suck, bro.
How'd she get it again, bro?
She was so low, bro. This bitch is not dying.
Yeah, life.
This bitch is not dying.
Yo, this freaking cat, that's a team kill.
I almost cut their ass. Oh, that's Ash. Come on, baby. Look at this nigga. Don't run, bitch. Shitty cam.
How?
Shitty. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna. Help me.
Starting to push. We're close to taking the lead. Push forward.
Get the tank. Tank is low. No, nigga.
Bro, she got help from that crap.
How the fuck is she getting shit so fucking much, bruh? Fall back.
Yo, why is this tank on me, bro?
Yeah, I'm sick of healer, bro.
I missed completely.
Sorry ass nigga, man. What's our tank doing, bruh? Okay, their tank is dead. Let's go.
Alright, bro, come on, bro.
So it's like probably our last push. Just show me then.
I need some freaking healing, bro.
Heal me, please, please. Oh my god, I gotta find fucking heal pack. Bro, what the hell are you doing, bro? Bro, what the hell, bro? Ew.
A freaking game, bro?
Oh, you're dead as fuck. You're dead as fuck, nigga.
Yo, she got that 4th time, bro.
When it work, I'm gonna have to get on this motherfucker.
You're dead, bro.
Deploying rock unit.
Bro, she pushed me away from it. Turn up, Cam. Turn up, Cam. Turn up, then, Cam.
Alright, bro, team kill.
No
Come on.
way. You just ended up getting more damage than 1 kills me from just that right
Are
there.
you done?
Sorry.
My ult's ready to stretch.
Oh my god, I'm so dead. Oh my god, I'm selling. No.
Yo, where's y'all at, bro?
No, it's over. It's over, bro.
Where y'all at?
It's over, bro.
If we reclaim the
Over,
ruler
bro.
now, we will win.
Fuck me, bro, in the ass, bro.
What, bro?
I stutter.
I gotta get played. I have to get played. It has to be.
Oh,
Yeah!
what? Oh my goodness. So basically, what you did was get the last hit with like 2 people. That's pretty much what you did.
Whatever, bro.
Who's that, Arissa? Oh shit, they have a How you dead?
Thinking, why the freak should revive me?
Wait, where the fuck? Nice. Let's go, baby. Say something.
I didn't say anything.
Oh, okay. You better not have. Sorry, yeah. That's how you die. How you die? Like, how'd you die, bro?
What do you think, bro?
Objective A captured. Escort the payload.
Oh my god. What the fuck?
How'd
To
you
the right,
die?
to the right. And that
How'd you
little,
die?
the little room to the right, the little room to the right. I've never seen somebody come from over there, bro.
You didn't know the spot?
Oh my god, please.
Why are you in the front line? You stick like, come on, bro.
Never die.
Cause I like to get active, bro.
You have to get active to death, right?
Did I die? Get the tank. Good job. Yeah.
How did I miss again?
You gotta kill this cat though, bro. Is that you? Oh no, I'm gone. Who you fighting over here?
The tank.
Ooh.
The
going stupid. Bro, are you going stupid?
Don't hate. Don't hate.
Nah, I don't feel like a motherfucker, bro. I started a little room to the right. Watch the top. What the? Oh my god.
Why is Bob so far back? Nah, don't run from me, boy.
I got him, don't worry. Get the cat, get the cat. Oh my goodness. Running through these boys. Behind him, behind.
Like, every time you hit with that crab.
Watch that top, that Ash at the top. My goodness.
Yo, this freaking thing, bro.
Come on. Can we get the tank? That's good. Push up.
Oh my, this freaking
Watch out for
Bob, bro. Why are you chasing me, bro? Oh, push this, bro. The tank's right there, bro. Freak out of here.
Go.
Come on, bro. Good night.
Just stay on the zone. Stay on here.
Like, there's no way we should.
Holy
It
shit.
shouldn't have been that complicated, bro.
No, our heroes are definitely yelling though. I'm through the butt. Is that you? Oh. I'm dead as fuck. Yeah. Miss again, bro.
How she keeps hitting me with that spear, bro?
Yeah, I mean, you are kind of easy target. Behind you, there's the best behind you. Up top. Come on, what the fuck killed me?
Hey. How about we not?
What the fuck is behind you, man?
But yeah, one of y'all come down with me. How about we not?
Oh my goodness. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead.
Again? It's not me.
I'm gone.
Fire at will.
Ah, I'm out of ammo.
Oh, it's scary. Oh shit, what the hell is that? What the fuck is that? Jeez.
I need some freaking healing. Wait a minute, is it you? Are you the issue? You might be the issue.
I might be this shit. I don't know.
Correct, bro. You know what's crazy?
Already, bruh.
I was looking at my YouTube channel the other day, right? Yesterday. Tell me why the Overwatch video I posted where I was getting like beat down as a tank, it got 55 views.
Wow.
It's like, bro, it's like the people like seeing me lose.
Oh, I'm about to go. I'm about to pull a major play off.
Tank down.
No, I'm not. I'm not pulling a major play off. I'm not pulling. Oh my god.
That's not enough though. We might make it, might not. I don't know.
It's not enough. You saw niggas left, but it's not enough. You niggas gotta really step, but it's not enough.
Objective A captured.
I'm not doing anything for the team.
We know. Okay. Like they ban your man. They ban one person. You can't play no more. It's crazy.
You done, bitch?
I'm just saying, but like you a one-trick pony. Did you don't got help bar?
No, why did everybody? No.
Why did you say
So-
something, Shrek? Why did you say
what's up?
something?
About what? What do you mean?
The people was on it. Why did? Okay, that's right. Oh, we lost skill that.
Let's be for real. It doesn't. It doesn't.
Right,
It really
come on,
doesn't.
bro.
It really doesn't, bro. Like, let's be for real about
Alright,
this.
bro, we need to lock in, bro. These guys are not good.
Okay, lock in then, bro.
Ash on the high ground.
Behind, what the fuck? Behind.
Okay, let's not all focus him, bro. Like, there's more people to worry about.
On the point.
Keep them back. We would not yield.
Come on, we got this, bro. Kill it. The tech was so low, oh my god. I'm dead. They're pushing in. Yeah, are you dead? What the fuck is you doing, man?
That's one of them. Let's go.
Oh my god, let's go.
Okay,
Good shit.
They push back to back. Push back. There we go.
Let's go.
Alright, bro. One last push, bro. One last push. Push her back. Push her back. Revive me. Please revive me.
Keep pushing up. Oh my god.
Why is that a thing, bro? It's like it happened to freaking.
Oh my god, come on. Oh my god. No. No.
Yo, the tank is freaking low. Tank is
alive.
freaking low.
Good tank.
The tank got freaking healed, bro.
Oh my god. No,
Her ability saved her.
no.
Just turn the tank. Come on, boy. You got this. Okay, more got this.
I'm not going in there.
We good. We good. No. Yes.
Let's go. We got it. Oh my god,
We got
nigga. Oh my god. Oh my god,
Yes,
nigga.
freaking
What a
sir.
fucking game.
Yeah, you know you did nothing.
You done, bitch?
The same, bro. What was this? Look at that, 25 freaking kills. Incredible for me.